Friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today we talk about SHARKOON RGB WAVE mid-tower PC case. So friends, SHARKOON has started afresh outing its RGB WAVE mid-tower PC chases, and friends, this PC case for a middle-tower configuration featuring a 3D wave pattern on the front panel, and friends, 3 front 120mm ARGB fans and 1 rear 120mm or 140mm fan provide cooling with room for 2 additional 120mm or 140mm fans on the top, and friend, additionally an ARGB controller is included, and the product features 4 distinct lighting modes for the fan. And friend, in terms of dimensions, the power supply unit is 175mm deep and the graphics card is 335mm long, and CPU cooler is 157mm high, and expansion slots are 7 levels, and the drive bay is a 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch shadow bay into 2 and 2.5 inch shadow bay into 3, and friend, multiple ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX form factors are supported. Input or output option include a pair of USB 3.0 Type-E ports, a pair of USB 3.2 Gen2 Type-C port, and audio terminal and microphone jack. And friend, it has a left side panel made of tempered glass, and this device certainly packs a punch. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at around $79. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.